Hello, friends! Today we are having fun with Patrick the Starfish. But look! Patrick is wearing a dragon costume. Wow! A dragon with wings, a tail, and a big happy smile. Now, follow my lines slowly, step by step. Keep your pencil moving, and you will see Patrick the Dragon come to life on your paper. Don't worry if it's not perfect. It's your own special dragon. Patrick looks so funny and happy in his dragon costume. He is smiling, he is ready to play, and he is ready to fly high like a dragon. Dragons are strong. Dragons can fly. Amazing! The stuff! Great job! If you had fun, don't forget to check out my other drawing videos on this channel. Give this video a big like, subscribe, and join me again for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time! Bye-bye!